It's a race! Oh my gosh!
A world is a book. Those who do not travel read only one page. Travel has helped us to understand the meaning of life, and it has helped us to become better people. Each time we travel, we see the world with new eyes. People think that because we keep travelling and searching for new things to do, we are not focused. But travel helped us find our purpose and put focus into our lives. The more we get lost in our travels, the richer our lives become.
Just coming into Paros, a place where I've always wanted to come and have a look. It's just like being on the M25. There's ships going everywhere. We've got these, what are they called? Kiteboards. It looks absolutely brilliant. God, I'd love to have a go. Well, they're zipping across in front of us. There's windsurfers. There's a, well, I don't know what kind of boat that is over there. I'll show you in a minute. It looks like a Black Maria.
And we're having to dodge between shoals.
Yeah, and there's dodging between shoals. Way! Like it already.
21 knots on the nose.
Yeah. Which is why we're not sailing in. So we've got to be careful of all these.
Follow quite a tight line here.
Yeah.
These shoals are 1 metre, 2 metre rocks. Got a dangerous wreck just up ahead on the starboard side.
Playing chicken, you bloody fool!
It says we've got 3 metres on the chart and we were just down to 0.1.
10 centimetres. 4 inch. Anti-Paros star, bye. Oh, we're gonna get all these waves. Oh my God, get ready.
We've only been over that way.
Yes, just to get us.
So after an exciting arrival into the safe bay of Paroikia, which is the capital of Paros, we head inland in a northeasterly direction to our first stop, Naoussa, originally a small fishing village centred around the port.
Naoussa is fed by a small stream which comes from the mountains. The local wildlife have made their home here. The one beauty about marinas is that it's always somewhere where you can come down, relax, take in the views and just watch the world go by. Unfortunately, due to the current climate, all the bars, hotels and cafes are really missing the customers. Greece now, 3 years, nearly 4, and I've never had a Greek coffee, so I just decided to get one today. It's a bit like an espresso, but a little bit. You need something sweet. That's better.
So you've got a bit of Greek cake.
It's like red wine and having to dip French bread in it.
But it's not, it's coffee and cake. So how strong's the coffee? Very strong? Same taste?
Single.
Right.
It's not bad.
Do you like it? What is it?
It's alright.
Suarez.
One a day would be enough.
So we'll just see how jittery you are in a bit then, eh?
It's only a single. I don't know.
Yeah. Best against it. Me on the other hand, I've gone for a smoothie. That looks good. Mango and passion fruit.
The town centre was absolutely beautiful, with whitewashed walls and stone-paved narrow streets, an absolutely fantastic labyrinth of shops and hidden treasures.
I can't even remember the theme tune.
So anyway, we've come into Paros. We've hired a motorbike and it was just €20 a day, and we've just had to stop off here. We're about in the middle of Paros. The island itself is what?
60
it's
kilometres
about 60
round.
kilometres round, so not a lot at all. But this is apparently one of the places that you have to come and visit when you come to this island. We're near enough in the middle of the island, and we've come up the mountains and everything, and there's loads happening. It's like they're using every little square foot of it. There's farming, there's lots of schools, so there must be lots of families here. There's lots of free parking wherever you go. But I say we've just had to stop off the bike because the terracing and everything, and there's this amazing church cathedral like place. Well, I know Greece has got loads of churches and stuff, that's what they're renowned for, they're very religious, but this one is quite spectacular, so I'm quite interested in having a look. But just look at this scenery. The view's quite magnificent.
So this is a Byzantine temple, the Church of Anti-Paros in Lefkas. It was built in 1830 and created with fine, semi-transparent marble from the island. We rode down to the ferry terminal and jumped aboard. Only €3 to the island of Anti-Paros.
Hurry up, you just made it. Had the best gyros in a little cafe just as you come off the port there. Best gyros in a long time, really tasty. And we're just walking through the streets now. It was really quite quiet actually, but people seem very friendly. There's loads of this bougainvillea, the purple and blue flowers and everything, and I can see why Tom Hanks and the likes would like it here. Trying to think who else comes here as well. Madonna, and this is what I've read on the internet anyway. And 007 guy, who's that? Who's 007 guy? One that we like. Old one. Sean Connery, that's it. Yeah, Sean Connery likes it here as well, so we'll keep an eye out for him. Absolutely delightful.
Well, we hope you've enjoyed this video. Please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you'll never miss an episode. Please check out our Patreon page, the link's below, where you can get access to over 40 Patron only videos. See you next time.